Members of the Boone County Criminal Justice Administration Coordination Committee have been meeting once a month for the past decade. The committee is made up of everyone from judges to prosecutors to jailers to monitor the jail's population. It costs taxpayers about $65 per day to house an inmate at the Boone County Jail. The jail's population is changing with a growing number of felons between the ages of 17 and 25. With more felons behind bars, court officials are studying to see if jail overcrowding is a long-term or cyclical problem.
We don't know if it's cyclic because we've had cyclic spikes before. I mean, that occurs in any jail population situation. But we don't know if that's the case or whether the makeup of the jail population has altered over the last 15, 20 years.
Brewer says overcrowding would even be a bigger problem if it weren't for alternative sentencing programs that have some inmates serve their time with electronic monitoring devices outside jail walls. Brewer believes a bigger jail is not the answer to the overcrowding problem. He believes taxpayers should spend their money on more alternative sentencing programs for less violent offenders instead of investing in more brick and mortar. At the Columbia Bureau, Mark Slavitt, KRCG 13, back to you.